How to set password in Windows 10. First, you would have to head to the Windows icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. At the very top, you'll be able to see your account. You just have to click on it. Then you have to go to Change Account Settings. Moving on to this tab, on the left corner of the screen, you'll be able to see Sign In options. Then on the right side of the tab, you'll be able to see a tons of options. From here, you have to now go to Password. Since I already have a password, I have the option to change it. But if you do not have a password set, then you'll be able to see the option to set a password. I'll just go ahead and click on change. Now I'll have to type in my current password. Moving on, if you are trying to create a new password, then this is what the interface would look like. You just have to type in the password that you want to create, then reconfirm. In case if you ever forget your password, then the password hint could help you out. Once you do this, you have to click on next, and then the option of finish will appear on your screen. Once you click on it, you would have successfully set password for your Windows. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.